This year, the 718 adds GTS variations to base and Boxster and Cayman S trim levels. A year ago was the principal year for the 718 Cayman and Boxster, which supplanted the active Boxster and Cayman models that did not have the territory code prefix. The styling didn't change much, regardless it holds similar extent and exemplary shape. It's more honed and more strong this time around, and inside similarly as pampering with good-looking stows away and a direct format. The 718 Cayman and Boxster offer a menu of Turbo 4 powertrains with another passage this year. Base models manage with a 2.0-liter Turbo 4 that puts out 300 drive. Cayman S and Boxster S variants for the level 4 to 2.5 liters for 350 horsepower. The GTS trim level is new this year and takes the 2.5-liter level 4 from the Cayman S and Boxster S up to 365 horsepower. Execution at any level is great. Base forms keep running up to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. Top-line GTS forms simply require 4.4 seconds. There's no awful pick for a transmission, either. A sharp 6-speed manual is standard, however a 7-speed programmed is similarly as great, and snappier. A decent base suspension is improved with discretionary versatile dampers and accessible torque vectoring that make the 718 one of the best entertainers on the planet. The 718s resemble great supper reservations, best kept for two as it were. The inside fittings are amazing, and most likely justified regardless of the $56,350 passage cash. Payload space is inadequate, only 10 cubic feet split between the front and back trunks. Try not to give that a chance to discourage you. The power collapsing delicate best in the 718 Boxster moves down to uncover 90,000 feet of accessible vertical space for the intense. Porsche's element arranging is similarly as amazing as the auto itself.